Hi, I'm Attorney General Brian Frosch. I'm very pleased to be able to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the Voting Rights Act, a landmark achievement that's helped our nation make huge gains in equality and fairness. It's certainly among the most significant steps forward in civil rights since the Civil War. The Voting Rights Act is a powerful law that has removed barriers that prevented African Americans and other minorities from voting. It outlawed poll taxes, literacy tests, and other roadblocks that had been systematically placed in the paths of African Americans. And it created an important layer of federal review to make sure that we don't slip backwards. President Lyndon Johnson signed the Voting Rights Act into law in August 1965 after working hard for its passage. Because of this law, all citizens, regardless of race, color, or ethnicity, have a say in our electoral process and have a voice in creating solutions.
The gains made after passage of the Voting Rights Act are remarkable. In just 3 years, black voter registration in Mississippi went from 7% to 54%. Since 1965, the number of African Americans in elected office, from City Hall to Congress, went from fewer than 1,000 to more than 10,000. But there is still more work to be done. Gaps remain between black and white voters in both registration and turnout. For these reasons, the Attorney General's Office of Civil Rights continues to advocate on behalf of those who have been disenfranchised and for enforcing and strengthening our voter laws.
For several years, the Voting Rights Act and the principles for which it stands have been under attack by those who choose to ignore the stain of injustice that led to its enactment and has yet to be erased. Our office will continue to work to strengthen voting rights for all Marylanders. The words President Johnson used when he signed the law remain true today. The vote is the most powerful instrument ever devised by man for breaking down injustice.